How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm here with another video. We're going to be working on a buddy of mine's ceiling. He wants to put a metal ceiling in his kitchen, so I figured I'd come along for the ride and maybe give him a hand here and see how this thing goes. It's going to be different for me. I've never put in a metal ceiling before, but we'll give it a try and see what happens. Let's check it out. Okay, this is a ceiling we're going to be replacing. This is in his kitchen. He wants a metal ceiling in there, so like I said, I don't know exactly what's going through his mind, but we're going to give it a try. We'll see what happens here. Alright, here's some of the lumber we're going to be using. Oh, and down there's the metal we're going to be putting on the ceiling. I got to show you guys Frankie. Hey Frankie, come here. Come here, Frankie. Hey, look here. I want you guys to see Frankie. He's the little boss of the house here. He's a big old puppy. Hey Frankie, come here, buddy. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What you doing? He's gonna be bossing the house here. Okay, as you guys can see, he trimmed the whole ceiling all the way around with a 2x4 and left it hang down. They're actually now working over here around the chimney. So just going all the way around with one 2x4. Yeah. There's the metal he's going to be using on the ceiling. We're going to put all this metal on the ceiling.
Serious. There you are. Gotcha. Hold on there. Oh, okay. Well, there you go. That's the only one.
Alright, you can see what he done. He went all the way around the outside with a 2x4, and then going down the center on each one of these beams here, there's going to be a box, and them are just stripped down 2x6s. So we're going to keep going around and see if we can get the rest of this done tonight. Joey, watch it. He's running on me. Look at his head.
Oh my God.
Alright, we're starting to box it in now. Just covering all them 2x6s and 2x4s all the way down through there. Just a fake beam. It'll look real nice when it's done. We're going to work around that chimney here and get it finished up, but I think it's going to look good. Alright, the ceiling's all done now, and these boards will already have primer on them. He put a little bit of caulk in the cracks there just to seal up some cracks. Now at this point here, if you'd like, you could just go ahead and put a little bit of paint on them. And I think what he's going to do is paint them and then make them sort of rustic looking. Just scuff them off with some paint. He's going to paint them black and then scuff them off. That would be your choice if you want to do something like that. Or you could just paint them brown or whatever. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the ceiling here. Now, like I said, if you'd like, you could always take a little bit of paint, paint them up, scuff them off, antique them a little bit, whatever you'd like to do. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment if you'd like. Till next time.